Jai Hind students. Dear students, today we will discuss about carbon dioxide. In this class, we will discuss the discovery of the carbon dioxide, occurrence, physical properties, chemical properties with their preparation. Okay. Now, carbon dioxide, which have the molecular formula CO2. CO2 is the molecular formula of the carbon dioxide. Molecular mass is equal to, for carbon it is 12. Each oxygen have here 2 oxygen, each oxygen have the atomic mass 16, so it is 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. This is the molecular mass of the carbon dioxide. Okay students, now discovery. For the discovery, we can tell that in 1630 it is discovered by van Helmont in 1630. Okay, by the combustion of the carbon, in the air, that is which have the oxygen, so he found the carbon dioxide gas. When in 1630, van Helmont. Okay my dear. Now Lavoisier in 1783 formulated the structure of the carbon dioxide. And what is the structure of carbon dioxide my dear? CO2 have the structure like this, linear shape. Which linear? Okay my dear, so he had given the name of this molecule CO2 carbon dioxide. Okay my dear, is it clear? Now occurrence. Now we will discuss about the occurrence of carbon dioxide. So for the occurrence, we can tell that it exists in the atmosphere as the constituent of air, and about 0.03% by volume it is in the atmosphere, but in some book you will get that it is from 0.02 to 0.03% by volume. Okay, and carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere by the respiration, burning of the organic compound like wood, petroleum, and decay or decomposition of the dead organism matters. And it also exists in the natural water in its dissolved state. Understood my dear? Now in the combined state, also it is found with the combined state if we will discuss, then we can tell that, see, like magnesium carbonate, MgCO3, the molecular the chemical name of this one is magnesite. Similarly MgCO3 dot CaCO3. The chemical name of this molecule is dolomite. Understood, my dear? Now we will discuss about the preparation of carbon dioxide. Now we will discuss about the preparation of CO2. How will you prepare it? So my dear students, simple method by the combustion, that is burning of the carbon compound in air, for which you can give the reaction C plus O2 gives out CO2. Okay, this is coke, COKE. This is coke. After the combustion in air, we will get carbon dioxide plus heat energy will release during the process. And if you want, then you can prepare by the hydrocarbon. This is methane. By the combustion of methane, we will get CO2 plus H2O. Now you should write the balance equation. One carbon. How many hydrogen, my dear? 4 hydrogen. So we have to write here 2 2s are 4. And oxygen, count how many oxygen are present here in the product. 2 oxygen plus 2, 4. So you may write 4 plus heat. Understood? So this is the simplest method of the preparation of the carbon dioxide. And if you want, then you can choose the another hydrocarbon. This is methane. It is methane. Okay. Now by the reaction of metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate with dilute acid, we will see one example. Suppose sodium carbonate Na2CO3, which will react with HCl, then we will get 2 molecule of NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Now it is balanced. Understood, my dear? If you want, then you can give the general reaction for this, that metal carbonate plus acid. This acid should be dilute. Okay, strong will also give the same reaction, gives out metal salt plus water plus CO2. So now if you want, then you can take any example. For example, suppose another example I am going to take. Suppose calcium carbonate, CaCO3, which will react with hydrochloric acid HCl to convert into CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2. Now this is 2 chlorine, so 2. Okay, my dear? Now bicarbonate. With the bicarbonate, suppose sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, which will react with hydrochloric acid HCl, then we will get NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, my dear? Now please see 1 Na, 1 Na, 1 Cl, 1 Cl, 1, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. So it is balanced equation. Okay, my dear? Another example. Suppose sodium bicarbonate NaH CO3, which will react with dilute H2SO4, then we are getting Na2SO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Please balance it. 2, so 2 sodium, and how many carbon, my dear? 2 carbons, so it is 2 carbon. Understood? And total number of hydrogen is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. And please see how many oxygen is here. 3 2s are 6 plus 4 7. So now here 4 plus 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 2 6 plus 4 10. And here how many? 3 2s are 6 plus 4 10 and 10. It is balanced or unbalanced, my dear? It is balanced equation. Understood? Now this is the method of the preparation of the carbon dioxide by the reaction with the acid with the sodium carbonate, or not only sodium carbonate, by the carbonate or bicarbonate. Understood, my dear? Now we will discuss about the laboratory method. Laboratory method of the preparation of the carbon dioxide. So in the laboratory method, my dear, now this is the laboratory method of the preparation of carbon dioxide. Dear students, this is the container in which we have kept the calcium carbonate and we are adding the dilute HCl. So as this calcium carbonate CaCO3 will come in the contact of the dilute HCl, it will convert into calcium chloride plus water plus CO2. Understood, my dear? This carbon dioxide gas produced by this process, this is said to be the method of the preparation of the carbon dioxide in the laboratory. Understood? Now observation and chemical reactions you can see from here. Now we will discuss about the physical and chemical properties of the carbon dioxide. Means our next topic will be the properties of carbon dioxide gas. We will discuss about the properties of the carbon dioxide gas. Dear students, this carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless, and slightly sour in taste. It is non-poisonous gas but cut off necessary supply of oxygen, so that person dies due to lack of the oxygen. Understood? Now if we will discuss about the density, then we can tell that at the normal temperature and pressure, carbon dioxide gas is about 1.5 times heavier than air. Means it have the more density as compared to the air. Now solubility, for the solubility we can tell that it is fairly soluble in air but dissolved rapidly a greater extent at high pressure, and it is insoluble in water. But if you want to dissolve it in the water, then you have to apply the high pressure. And one scientist, Henry, who has given the rule which is said to be the Henry law for the solubility of gas in liquid. According to that, when we will apply the high pressure to the carbon dioxide to dissolve in water, then solubility of the carbon dioxide will increase. Understood, my dear? Now carbon dioxide can be liquefied. For the liquefaction, we can tell that it can be liquefied at the high pressure. Also at the high pressure, when carbon dioxide expanded at a pressure near about 70 atmosphere and 20 degree, then it will be liquefied. Understood, my dear? Then it will be liquefied. That means carbon dioxide gas can be easily liquefied at the high pressure and low temperature. Understood, my dear? Now we will discuss about the chemical properties of carbon dioxide. Dear students, we can tell that if the chemical properties in the several steps. Now firstly we will discuss about the combustibility. So we can tell that it is neither combustible nor support for the combustion. Some metals like sodium, potassium and magnesium continue to burn in the presence of the carbon dioxide. And its chemical nature, if you want, then you can tell that it is non-metallic oxides. So non-metallic oxides are generally acidic in nature. It means it will convert the blue litmus paper into red. Blue litmus paper, moisturized blue litmus paper, it will convert into the red. Understood, my dear? Blue litmus to red litmus. Is it clear? Why? Because it is acidic in nature. Now we will discuss some reaction with the different kinds of compound. Dear students, with the sodium hydroxide CO2, what will be the product? Sodium hydroxide, it is base and it is basic in nature. It is acidic in nature, means you can tell this is base, it is acid, so you will get the salt. According to the Arrhenius concept, this is Na2CO3 plus H2 plus sodium carbonate plus water. This is said to be the neutralization reaction. This is according to the Arrhenius concept, that when acid will react with base to give the salt and water. So same concept is here. Now reaction with the sodium carbonate, same thing. If excess of the sodium if excess of the carbon dioxide will be available, then and water will be also there, then same molecule means this carbon dioxide, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, which will again react with water and CO2 to form two molecule of NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate, again it will form. Understood? Now action with metal, reaction with metal, carbon dioxide plus, suppose you have the metal magnesium, then you will get two molecule of MgO plus carbon. This reaction will take place in the presence of heat. And if you want, then you can how will you give the taste? In the laboratory we can identify the carbon dioxide gas when it will pass in lime water, calcium hydroxide, then it will convert into the calcium carbonate, CaCO3 plus H2O. Dear students, when you will pass the carbon dioxide in the lime water, then lime water become milky. It is milky in color. Understood? So same experiment we can identify the presence of the calcium ion as well as the presence of the carbon dioxide gas also. Okay, my dear. So this is the whole information about the carbon dioxide, its preparation, properties, etc. And if you want to discuss about the uses, then for the uses you can tell that uses of carbon dioxide. Dear students, it is used for the soda extract as a dry ice, as a bagged food item, bagged food items. It can also use as a fire extinguisher. It is used in the fertilizers in hospitals. How we can use in the hospital, my dear? Carbon dioxide is used for the artificial respiration, which is the mixture of 5% of CO2 and 95% of oxygen. For the artificial respiration, 5% carbon dioxide and 95% oxygen mixture used in the hospital. Okay, now in the photosynthesis, plants are using the carbon dioxide for the manufacture of the food by plants, okay, to the formation of the glucose. So this is the whole information about the carbon dioxide. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day.